These are Rudolf Steiner's answers to questions at the end of the lecture. I'm going to add this on. Question: how are the words used by St. Paul to speak in tongues, Corinthians 1:12, to be understood? Answer: in exceptional human beings, it can happen that not only is there present the phenomenon of speaking in the waking state, but something otherwise present only in sleep consciousness flows into this speaking. This is the phenomenon about which St. Paul spoke. Goethe spoke about it in the same sense. He has written 2 most interesting treatises about this phenomenon. Question: how will one understand Christ's words of consolation? Answer: human beings will feel these words of consolation as though they arise in their own hearts. They can also be received through physical hearing. Question: what is the relationship of chemical forces and substances to the spiritual world? Answer: there are in the world a number of substances that can combine with or separate from each other. What we call chemical action is projected into the physical world from the world of Devachan, the realm of the harmony of the spheres. In the union of 2 substances according to their atomic weights, we have a shadowing of 2 tones of the harmony of the spheres. The chemical affinity between 2 substances in the physical world is like a shadowing from the world of the harmony of the spheres. The numerical ratios in chemistry are really an expression of the numerical ratios of the harmony of the spheres, which has become dumb and silent owing to the densification of matter. If one were able actually to bring material substance into etheric dilution, and to perceive the atomic numbers as the inner formative principle, one would hear the harmony of the spheres. We have the physical world, the astral world, the lower Devachan and the higher Devachan. If one thrusts the body down lower even than the physical world, one comes into the sub-physical world, the lower astral world, the lower or evil lower Devachan, and the lower or evil higher Devachan. The evil astral world is the province of Ahriman, and the evil higher Devachan the province of the Asuras. If one drives chemical action down beneath the physical plane into the evil Devachanic world, magnetism arises. If one thrusts light down to the submaterial, that is to say, a stage deeper than the material world, electricity arises. If what lives in the harmony of the spheres is thrust down farther still into the province of the Asuras, an even more terrible force, which it will not be possible to keep hidden very much longer, is generated. One can only hope that when this force comes, a force we must conceive as being far, far stronger than the most violent electrical discharge, one can only hope that before some discoverer gives this force into the hands of humanity, human beings will no longer have anything immoral left in them. Question: what is electricity? Answer: electricity is light in the sub-material state. Light is there compressed to the utmost degree. An inward quality too must be ascribed to light. Light is itself at every point. Warmth can extend itself in the 3 dimensions of space. In light we must speak of a 4th dimension. It can extend itself in a 4-fold way. It has the quality of inwardness as a 4th dimension. What we know as electricity is light that is destroying itself within matter. The chemical force that undergoes a transformation within earthly evolution is magnetism. Yet a 3rd force will become active, and if electricity seems to work wonders today, this 3rd force will affect civilization in a more miraculous way.